So good day everyone. Let's briefly talk about what is a firewall is and bakit siya importante. So yung firewall, isa siyang security feature na built sa Microsoft that it monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. It works by using a set of rules that decide whether an application is allowed to send or receive data over the internet. So in simple terms, it acts like a barrier that protects your device by blocking unwanted or unauthorized network access over the internet. So in this video, ito-demonstrate natin on how can we manually control those connection by blocking and unblocking an application using Windows Firewall. So first, I will introduce yung application na gagamitan natin, then show the step-by-step process of creating a rule to block its network access. Then after that, we will test the app to confirm if na-block nga ba siya. Then once done, I'll also show how to remove or disable the rule to resolve the application connection or kung paano siya ulit maka-access na internet. Then finally, I'll explain these actions using a simple flowchart to show how Windows Firewall handles the app connection when it's blocked and when it is unblocked. And by the end of this video tutorial, you'll have a clearer understanding of how Windows Firewall controls network traffic and how we can manage access for any application on our system. So before we continue with the tutorial, the application that we're going to use is Brave. It is a fast and privacy-focused web browser built to give its user more control over their online experience. Unlike most browsers, Brave block ads, trackers, and unwanted scripts by default, which helps improve speed and protects user privacy. It also uses fewer resources compared to other browsers, making it lightweight and efficient. Since Brave connects to the internet every time it loads a website, it's a good application to use when demonstrating how Windows Firewall can block or unblock a network access. So the first thing that we're going to access is Windows Defender Firewall. Next is the advanced settings. Then outbound rules. The new rules, and as Brave is a program, we're going to select program. Then on this part, we have to locate its file location. So what we're going to do is to open its file path. So first is open file location, then copy as path yung file path niya. Then the next thing that we're going to do is paste it there. Then we have to remove the double quotation on its first and last part. Then we're going to next. Then on this, it has the options like the block access, allow, or allow if secure. And we're going to choose the block. Then check it on. Then we can name it. And on this part, we name it Brave Block. So before we continue, Firewall has two rules. So the first one is inbound rules. Inbound rules controls the traffic coming into your computer or network from external sources. The purpose of it is they decide which incoming connections are allowed or blocked. And the second is the outbound rules. So outbound rules controls the traffic going out from your computer or network to external destination. And the purpose of it is they decide which outgoing connections are allowed or blocked. This time we're going to set the rules for the inbound rules. So same process lang din. Going to the program, then the file path of the Brave, then next, then block the access to, then check it all, then next, then name it Brave Block. It is optional whether kung ano man yung gusto mo nating i-name dito. And next. Then let's test it. Let's refresh Brave. Let's test it. Then let's search like something like firewall. Checks its if coconnect ba siya sa internet. Then like Apple. Then as we can see, naglo-load lang siya. Then yan. It is successfully blocked yung connection ng Brave over the internet. To unblock the connection of Brave over the internet, we can just select the disable rule in both the outbound and inbound rules to access the internet. Then let's check Brave again if naka-access na ba siya sa internet. Then as we can see, nag-load na yung search natin kanina na firewall and Apple. Then like we can search like something like what is firewall, and we can see na na-access na nga ng Brave yung internet as we disable the rule that blocks its connection over the internet. Thank you. So lastly, it is the firewall connection flowchart. So at the start, we can see here the user of an application. Then it was made by the process absent network access. It is the network access over the internet. Then the next is the process which is the Windows firewall checks request. It will be met by a condition as we can see here. Is there a block rule for this app? Like yung ginawa natin kanina na pagbablock ng rule sa inbound and outbound rule ng isang application. Then if there is a block rule, it will go to the process application, cannot connect, and it will end the connection. Then if there is no block rule for this app, like in this app na ginawa natin kanina, it will be met by another condition which is the allow connection or allow connection if secured. Hindi ibig sabihin na walang block rule ang isang application is hindi na siya mag-connect agad. There is a condition na allow connection or allow connection if secured na nakita natin kanina. And if there is yes, if na-meet yung condition na yan, it will go to the application connect, then end. Then if there is not, hindi magtutuloy yung application natin if hindi na-meet yung allow connection or allow connection if secured. So, on the conclusion, we now know what is firewall and how to configure it. Thank you.